defense advocate Peter Doberman says Nigeria televangelist Pastor Timothy Omotoso would not escape from South Africa if granted bail because South Africa and Nigeria have an extradition treaty. Judge Philip Zua gave reason for his decision not to grant the Nigerian pastor bail because he was a flight risk.
My submission was that there are cases where illegal foreigners have been granted bail. That's all. And my submission is further that illegal foreigners and prohibited persons cannot be discriminated against or on the basis that they are illegal foreigners and or prohibited persons.
The applicant's prohibited immigrant status, when viewed together with other relevant factors referred to in the Act, leads me to the ineluctable conclusion that the applicant has, once again, failed to discharge the requisite onus. That being the case, I am left with no other option but to refuse his bail application. And in keeping with the provisions of Section 60, in brackets 11, in brackets A of the Criminal Procedure Act, to order that the applicant be detained in custody until he is dealt with in accordance with the law and his pending case is finalized.
However, Advocate Doberman said his client stands to be deported back to South Africa to face charges if he escaped like Prophet Shepherd Bushiri last November. Hence, is confident his client will stand trial. Questions were raised about state security apparatus when the Bushiris escaped the country to Malawi in November last year when they were on a 200,000 rand bail, and to date there has not been any clue as to their escape. This came up during the trial of the founder of the Jesus Dominion International Ministry at a Port Elizabeth High Court, where the 3.5-year-old trial is underway. During cross-examination led by defense attorney Peter Doberman, it was discovered that first witness Lerato Msibi's testimony were inconsistent with what was written originally in the police report. Omotoso and 2 others are facing charges of human trafficking, racketeering, amongst other charges, amounting to 97 charges, and has been behind bars since April 2017. The Nigerian pastor has been denied bail 3 times, as the state says he is a flight risk if granted bail. Lerato Msibi had a tough time remembering the specifics of her testimony and the cross-examination